In today's assignment, we're going to be looking at what's called central ideas and details. Central idea is a central idea of a text is one of the main points the author is making. Sometimes a central idea is called the main idea. A central idea can always be supported with details. So today's assignment, we're going to be talking about central idea and details. Remember, central idea can also be called the main idea. Whenever you have the main idea, you will always support it with details. Details is all that interesting stuff that creates support for the main idea. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the first question here on today's assignment. Remember, you have to have read the stories, both of the paired selections, in order to do this assignment. Again, if you haven't read the stories, you need to read them first. Question number 1. Reread the section called The Problem of Poop. So we're looking at the section called The Problem of Poop. Which statement below best expresses the central idea of this section? Remember, the central idea is the main idea. So, which of these express the main idea in the section called The Problem of Poop with Poop? Human waste can be used as fertilizer. At the time of the Great Stink, London was home to 2 million people. Finding ways to dispose of human waste has been a challenge for a long time. Or flush toilets caused the Great Stink. So be careful. Think about what is the main idea of the section called The Problem with Poop. Mark one of these as your answer. Okay, so when you get that, then we're going to go on to question number 2. So question number 1 is your main idea, and then question number 2 says, read a central idea of the article in the box below. Then read the lines from the article listed under it. Which detail does not support the central idea? So here we have the central idea. It says, in the past, unsafe sanitation caused major health problems in London. Which of these below does not support this central idea? So this is the central idea. Which of these answers does not support this central idea right here? A, over the past 50 years, tens of thousands of people have died from drinking the polluted water of the River Thames. B, London had already suffered 3 major cholera epidemics. More than 30,000 people had died. Or letter C, government leaders who worked in a building beside the Thames were seen fleeing with tears streaming from their eyes. So which of these does not support this idea? And then you would write your answer on the line below. Does not support. Remember, be careful with this. And then you would write your answer below. And the next question, which will be question number 3, I want you to put an X over it. So meaning, boys and girls, you do not have to do question number 3. Now, again, if you want to, that will be awesome. You'd probably get extra credit for this. Do not do number 3. It is not going to be something that you need to do. Take your time on this activity, and if you have not read this book stories, like I said, and I keep saying over and over again, you have to read both of the selections before you can answer these questions.